Today I'm going to show you how to make candied cinnamon pecans right on the stovetop. These are sweet, crunchy, and coated in the most delicious cinnamon sugar glaze. And the best part is, they come together in just a few minutes. Let's start with the ingredients. First you'll need a cup of pecan halves, a half a cup of brown sugar, quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of water. First, grab a non-stick skillet and place it over medium heat. Add in your sugar, cinnamon, salt, and 2 tablespoons of water. Next, stir everything together as it heats up. At first it'll look a little grainy, but keep stirring and you'll see the sugar start to melt down into a smooth, glossy syrup. Once the mixture is bubbling and fully melted, go ahead and add in your pecans. Stir them constantly so they get evenly coated in that cinnamon, sugar, yummy mixture. After a couple of minutes, you'll notice the mixture start to thicken and cling to the pecans. Keep stirring. This is where the magic happens. The sugar will start to crystallize and turn into that classic candied coating. When the pecans look evenly coated and slightly dry with that sugary coating, remove the pan from the heat and stir in your vanilla. Be careful here, it might sizzle. Immediately spread the pecans out into a piece of parchment paper or a baking sheet so they don't stick together. Let them cool for a few minutes, and as they cool, they'll harden into that perfect crunchy texture. And that's it! Stovetop candied cinnamon pecans. Quick, easy, and seriously addictive. These are perfect for snacking, topping salads, or adding to desserts. You can even package them up for a cute homemade gift. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, cozy recipes. Thanks for watching!